Hi everyone, I'm Heather and we've got Carling behind the camera and it's Walkthrough Wednesday, brought to you by the award-winning developers of Nocatee, the Park Group. And we are in the beautiful southern end of Nocatee at Heritage Trace at Crosswater. And I'm thrilled to be joined by the Sales and Marketing Director for Dostie Homes, Elena Record. And she's going to show us their beautiful model. They're new to us down here in Heritage Trace, so you need to come out and see them today. Thanks for having us, Elena.
Thank you. Yes, we are new out here. Our model just opened up. We're so excited. So if you've been out here before, make sure to come out here and check out this model. This is our Americana Anastasia model. So we did a beautiful blue Americana theme on the exterior, which is just stunning.
The blue everyone's talking about, by the way. We keep hearing in the Welcome Center that color is so popular.
Yes.
Love the door. Look at this entryway. Absolutely beautiful, Elena.
Yeah, so we have the tall, right here is a 10-foot, I believe, ceiling in the foyer that steps up to 11. So just a nice statement right when you walk in the front door. To the right is actually, this would typically be a wall. We've opened it up for the model. This is our sales center. But what Carling's panning to right now is your tandem golf cart garage. So it's a 2-car plus the golf cart, so it's perfect for living out here in Nocatee.
Lots of space. It's actually nice that you have this open so people can really get a good visual. And also, I just want to mention with this ceiling height, there's Carling. With this ceiling height, it really makes it a grand entrance. It's huge.
Yes, yes. So what we're in right now, this is actually an option. It's called our playroom option. So we have 2 bedrooms with a playroom in between. So this is perfect for a family. You've got a couple kids, you want them to have their own area kind of away from the rest of the home. So we've listened to our buyers in other communities and designed an option that really fits their needs and what they're looking for in their home. So
it's really a smart build, because you're right, people do always request that. They want their kids to have that space yet away from the main living area, which when everyone sees that area, wow. I mean,
I'm excited for you guys to see it.
I'm going to say this is one of my favorite models that Sam has designed. I'm going to be very honest. Just beautiful. And nice sized rooms. I just want to point that out. Always hard to see on camera, but these 2 bedrooms are great sizes. So plenty of room. And also, if you don't have kids, this is also a great home because this is a great guest room section option.
Yes.
And then they would actually have their own area,
exactly.
which is really nice.
Exactly. So these 2 bedrooms share this hall bathroom right here. Again, we're just off the foyer in the front of the home, separate from the rest of the house.
Nice stuff. I love the tile to the ceiling.
Yes.
It makes it a nice touch.
Yes, our designer, Edge and Lines Design, is who we worked with, and she did a great job kind of with this mid-century modern
coat closet, Carling. I got to show. You know, I love a closet.
Even though it doesn't get too cold here in Florida, but you have 4 or 5 coats.
You know, it could just be storage.
Yeah. All right, before we get to that beautiful living room and pocket office,
you better
we're going to go to the right.
Yes, Carling, to the right.
So again, this is the garage entry off of your single car or your golf cart storage. So immediately when you come in, you've got a stop and drop right here. You can put your shoes, the kids can put their backpacks, you know, whatever you would like. And this we're showing in the model as a home office. It can be a guest room, it can be a comfort zone. There's a lot of different options within this space here. But just shows how versatile this plan really is.
It really is, but smart to show a home office because so many Nocatee buyers are actually working out of their homes. And so to have this, and also separate now, if you're reminding everybody, we're on the other side of the house. So if you do have children, they are on the completely other side. So you would have that quiet workspace or study space. And then this bathroom would also be the powder room technically for your guests. So they would not be using that front bathroom, which I think is important to point out. Okay, now we can start showing this stuff that I love.
Yes, so this is a pocket office option. You know, obviously we've envisioned a family that has children, so it's a great space for kids to set up and do their homework, not in their room with all their toys, kind of their own little area, or if you just want to set up on your laptop and do something really quick, you can do that there as well. Nice, open, large gathering room. We did the beams up top and anything that you see in a Dostie model as far as upgrades, design upgrades with the shiplap on the wall, the beams on the ceiling, we will do that for customers if they come in and they see something that they really like and they want to duplicate.
And thank you for doing that, because it drives me nuts if I go into a model and then they're like, just kidding, we won't do that for our buyers.
Yes.
Because this is beautiful. I love these floating shelves that we're seeing. Now, is this standard or is this an upgrade? How does this work?
So this is an option. It is an upgrade. Typically, we'll have just standard cabinets that would go all the way across. But, you know, floating shelves is kind of a design trend right now. Either you love it or you hate it. A lot of people have some beautiful glassware that they would like to display, but this is our typical setup would be just standard 42-inch cabinets all the way across. Now we're showing uppers here as well, which is an upgrade. But just showing the versatility and what you can do in this space in the kitchen.
But there's so much cabinet space over here that we just showed that having these floating shelves make it very elegant and really make the home very rich looking. I absolutely love it. Look at all these cabinets, by the way. I want to show all this in the kitchen.
Lots of storage.
Lots of storage, and this island is beautiful with a beautiful, huge farm sink. And then Dostie put in plugs right here so you can be charging your cell phones, doing your computer work here. So there's just so much that y'all really thought about in this kitchen space.
Yes, and we were really excited to do a beautiful upgraded quartz countertop with the waterfall edges, which is something you see in a lot of, you know, HGTV on house.com. So we pulled a lot of the inspiration from things that are popular right now.
Okay, this is the coolest space that I've seen right now at Dostie Home in Nocatee.
So this is what we call our evolution space. Think of it as a prep kitchen combo with a laundry room. So we've got laundry, washer and dryer here with your sink and laundry prep area. Behind Carling is some shelves for a pantry. You've got a wine fridge back here, and then you've got a long countertop with even more cabinets and storage space back here. So, I mean, this is, again, an option that we're showing. Typical would be your standard, I should say, is a separate pantry area and a separate laundry room with a door. This would be closed off to the dining room.
But why would you? This prep space is so incredible. You've got to do this. If you buy this house, I'm telling you now, you have to do this amazing space. First of all, there's so much storage, number one. So many cabinets, but to make this beautiful pantry space, and if you are a wine drinker, to have this separate area is incredible, but then you could do so many other options if you're not drinking.
Yeah, I mean, if you even wanted to just not have a refrigerator out in your main kitchen,
yes,
tuck your refrigerator back in here, you know, that's an option. We can do that for you.
Lots and lots of options with the Dostie home. So please remember that, what she just said. You do not even have to have your fridge out there. You can have it in this private space. And then you close it off. Carling, if you'll show the barn door, you can close off this space. Obviously, different ways to close it off. We do always love the barn door.
So this is our dining space. It can easily seat 5 to 6 people around this table. It's a large 60-inch round table. So lots of space in this dining room.
I absolutely can't get over this space. It is so huge, and there's obviously also other options for tables. You could do a square table, a rectangle table. This is a huge entertaining home also, I want to point out. Because, Carling, if you will show the outside right there, so you think, oh, look, only a small patio. No, ma'am.
It continues.
Dostie is not doing anything small. Look at this. You've got to just show this. It's incredible. This huge patio area. It wraps around.
Yes, and I do want to talk again. I know I've mentioned it on other Walkthrough Wednesday videos, but we design our lanais to not go out from the back of the home, but they're kind of tucked in to the footprint of the home, so you have more privacy. You know, there are close homes here out in Nocatee, so we take that into consideration so that we can give our buyers more privacy when they're out here enjoying the space.
Yes, complete privacy. I mean, that's the thing. And you can choose to screen in this space. You can extend this space, because these are great lots down here in Heritage Trace at Crosswater. But this lot in particular is really incredible.
Oh, and look at the beautiful ducks.
Oh, look at
They
the
decided
ducks.
to join us for our videos today.
I absolutely love that.
Okay.
And Dostie does have lots and lots of lot options here in Heritage Trace, by the way. So
Yes.
you don't have to be on a pond.
Yes, we do have both lake and preserve options. Many preserve home sites available. So come out and see Sam Schneider. He's our site agent out here.
And also, just to mention, Sam will have a few lots over in Freedom Landing, so he's going to be selling out of Heritage Trace.
Yes.
But that's important to point out. So you have 2 neighborhoods to choose from.
So this is the master bedroom. Again, with Dostie, we are big on natural light. I know I've mentioned that in the past as well. So we have a huge picture window with 2 windows adjacent to each side. Again, that overlooks the lake, just lets in all that natural light. So it's stunning.
That window is incredible. It really is. And this bathroom, I absolutely love this owner's bathroom. So 2 nice sinks. And again, you can do the cabinetry all different ways. So they chose to put, a shelving in the dead center, but if you wanted to, you could easily turn that into a seating area, a vanity area.
A vanity with a knee space. You can put a drawer stack there, so you just have drawer faces that go all the way across. You don't have anything open. It's really the options with that are really endless.
And plenty of space if you choose to, that beautiful tub, and then also a nice size shower, but not too oversized, but it's a great big size, and a nice walk-in closet.
Yes.
Always important. And there's so many options with this closet, because I do love a big walk-in closet. So I'm glad you just put a few racks, but you can really customize that.
Yeah.
I want to remind people, first of all, we're on the southern end of Nocatee. This area is just happening. They are going to be building Crosswater Park down here very soon. Crosswater Park is literally steps away from this community, and it's going to have a beautiful pool, dog parks, playgrounds, sand volleyball, lots of lap lanes, by the way. Even swim lessons will be held there, I was told, so I'm very excited. But also, right down the road from here is the Nocatee Landing opening soon. And the Nocatee Landing is going to be a non-motorized watercraft launch. So kayaks, canoes, paddleboards. And why that's important to Nocatee residents, especially people down here, is you're in between the Nocatee Preserve, which is 2,400 acres, and Guana State Park on the eastern side of the Intracoastal.
Wow.
So this area is the place to live. So I want to remind people, first of all, where we are. We're in Heritage Trace, and we're with Dostie Homes Elena, but Elena actually has some cool incentives going on.
We do, yes. So first I just want to cover our price point for this neighborhood. We start in the mid-4s. This again is the Anastasia Americana, and it starts at $483,900. As far as our incentives, you guys get ready. We have a lot of cool things to offer. 15,000 design studio upgrades for your home, a free gourmet kitchen included, a free upgraded wood tile in the main living areas, and if you use one of our preferred lenders, you get 1.5% towards closing costs. So it's
okay. I really want to buy a house. Okay. I mean, come on. This is.
We're ready.
Really, I know.
Let's put pen to paper.
All right. Let me go to the bank. I'm so excited. So Elena, again, with Dostie Homes, the sales and marketing director, and I want everyone to know that Crosswater is the place to live. So you need to come down here today, see Sam. He'll be here later on after we walk out of this place.
Yep.
But it's Walkthrough Wednesday, brought to you by the award-winning developers of Nocatee. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Bye.